Good morning, good morning. We are on the road heading a few hours east to go ahead and buy some more hardware. We're actually buying this hardware from another crypto content creator within the industry that is liquidating a bunch of their tech, which is very common right now. And well, I'm eager to eat it up. I think I'm getting a pretty good deal out of this, and I plan to use this for small, mini, at-home AI rigs, kind of single card AI rigs. I've really gotten the bug. I'm really interested in finding some secondhand hardware, and this looked like a great opportunity to buy up a whole bunch of stuff at a discounted rate. So let's go ahead and meet up with them. All right, so he's not here yet, but here's kind of my game plan. So I'm buying up a variety of different hardware, motherboards, power supplies, heat sinks, CPUs, pretty much everything I need to set up a bunch of at-home AI rigs. And listen, I'm not looking to like get rich, make $1 million off of this, but I am looking to, one, create some great content in the near future for you guys, but two, go ahead and test out all these different platforms. I've used Salad in the past in a very small capacity. Didn't have great success, but willing to give it a try again. Vast is something I definitely want to get into with a beefier rig, a 6 or 8 card GPU rig that's got like an epic CPU and some major horsepower. But then there's lots of other ones out there that I've been eager to try. Clore, OctaSpace, QuickPod. There's a number of different ones out there that I just want to kind of test the waters and see how it goes. And my goal is to find one platform to kind of end up running everything on. But it's going to be a set it and forget it, because what's profitable this month on one platform may not have the demand on that the next month. So it should be a lot of fun. Really looking forward to it and bringing you guys content here in the future. It actually looks like here they are.
Wondering what crypto miner hosting is and why you need it? If you're tired of dealing with high heat, constant noise, and skyrocketing electric bills from running your crypto miners at home, we've got the solution. Welcome to Terra Hosting. We make crypto mining hassle-free. Our top-tier facilities ensure your operations run smoothly with an impressive average 99% uptime. Need help? Our 24/7 support team and repair services are always ready to assist you. Got a broken machine? We offer RMA assistance to get you back on track as fast as possible. While you wait for your unit, Terra Hosting will loan you a similar model so that you don't lose hash rate, keeping your profits coming in. Looking to expand your farm? Our clients get significant discounts on mining hardware. Make the smart move to Terra Hosting. Visit terrahosting.io today and experience stress-free crypto mining.
All right, guys, I am here with Mr. Krootman here, content creator and crypto mining, and let's take a closer look at exactly what I'm buying. All right, Krootman.
All right, so here's my sales pitch. These are one-of-a-kind, perfect CPU miners. You will make millions of cents with these things.
You're a liar, but okay.
So basically what you're buying is you're buying half of my CPU mining farm. They all have deep cool coolers, which I didn't say and you didn't hear. EVGA power supplies, 3900Xs. There may be a 5900X in here. Essentially, these are great for most of the AI platforms. And they're good for CPU mining if you want to do something like that, or even Warthog mining. They all have 16 gigs of DDR4 memory. They're pretty much as uniform as you can get CPU mining rigs to be. EVGA power supplies all have interchangeable cables, which is really nice.
And look at this, we're getting a train going by at the same time. Awesome. All right, so why is Krootman selling these exactly?
My power rate.
Okay.
It comes down to that. So Hobbyist and I have talked because we live in the same state. And in Pennsylvania, you can shop half of your power. Mm-hmm. Well, I went from 9 cents to 18 cents in the span of 8 months. Yeah. And I went from being okay to dead in the water.
Yeah.
So like, I kept half of my farm actually.
Okay.
I had 10 rigs and I sold you 5. But I can't do it do it in mass anymore.
So you mined with these on Warthog at one point.
They were doing Warthog and some AI stuff.
Some AI stuff, nice. Which AI platforms did you play with?
They were on Clore and Salad.
Which one do you like better?
That's tough.
I'm debating, like I tried Salad a while ago and like really didn't like it, and so it just wasn't very profitable. So that's why I'm like,
So the thing about Salad is if they have jobs, right? If they have jobs, which is the big if, then everything is profitable. You can make a 30 series rig profitable.
Yeah.
Now I'm not telling you to go buy rigs for Salad. Now you are, but what I'm normally
used secondhand. Getting a deal. That's what I'm
well,
buying.
to be fair, we're also content creators, so we have multiple uses for these things. But what I'm saying is you can make money, like enough money to justify keeping these things on in the corner, assuming they're all paid off.
Yeah.
Because
like, what's this little mini one here? ASRock? Oh,
yeah,
that's an Fatality.
Yep.
Nice. Okay, cool. So are you doing any AI stuff right now?
Yeah, I'm doing Salad and Clore, and Max Voltage is convincing me to go to Vast.
Nice. What are you going to put on Vast? Any ideas yet?
Probably like 4090.
Really? Wow. Okay.
So like I do my other channel, and I have to have one GPU of everything.
Oh, so you have a bunch of those.
So I have like some 40 series and some 50 series that I can put on it.
Can you put different GPU models on the same rig on Vast, or no, they have to be all the same?
I think as far as I understand, they have to be the same.
Okay, so give us the breakdown. What are we paying for these? Just throw it out there. I don't mind.
Okay.
Go for it.
$1,730 for this whole thing.
Okay, and that gives 5 motherboards.
5 CPUs.
5 CPUs.
5 power supplies, 5 coolers, 5
sets of 16 gigabits of memory.
RAM,
okay.
And then you get 5 stands if you want to use them.
Did you 3D print them yourself?
No.
I was going to say, man, we got something, you know.
No, I used to 3D print. It's just not worth my time right now.
Yeah. All right, very cool. So we're going to leave here. I'm going to head home, and we're going to go ahead and see exactly everything we got. Thanks, Krootman. Appreciate it, man.
Always a pleasure, sir.
Thank you. Guys, go check out Krootman. I'll leave a link directly down below to his channel. All right, so we just got back home. Huge shout out to Krootman. Guys, don't forget to go ahead and check out his channel directly down below. But let's go ahead and see what we got here. So we have a variety of motherboards from B450s to B550s. We got some real small ones. Look at the size of this little micro ATX board here. Gonna have to find something fun to build that into. That'll be a good time. As I said before, like, I don't have any motherboards. I don't have any CPUs. I kind of got rid of everything, and this is one of those times where don't tell Red Panda Mining, but would have loved to had some stuff available, some decent stuff, but I never ended up getting a lot of, back when, do you guys remember back in like the Ethereum days when, you know, Newegg Shuffle had a lot of those deals where you'd win you could win the opportunity. I know it sounds crazy to buy a GPU back then, the 30 series, but then you also had to buy the motherboard with it. Well, I did that twice, so I only had like 2 motherboards available. But other than that, I really didn't have a lot of different combos deals out there. So this actually works out great to have a bunch of, should I say, stock or hardware available to me. But I'm excited. As I said, we got B450s, we got some B550s, we have some 3900Xs in here. I think there was an XT as well that Krootman had mentioned, but a lot of great hardware here. Well loved though, you can see it's got some layers of dirt and dust in here. You think Mr. Krootman would have cleaned it up. Look at this one, cleaned it up good, but that's okay. I'm definitely gonna strip everything down, take everything entirely apart, clean everything up, and then figure out exactly what I want to do from here. There's a lot of different AI platforms I'm definitely interested in. I'm not going to keep them like this. Everything's going to move into a traditional case setup. I probably am not going to stick, you know, this one has like a 750 watt and this one has an 850. Probably going to end up on the hunt for maybe 1,000 watt power supplies out there, kind of the new norm or standard. And GPUs, I got some on the way. I won't ruin it quite yet, but I got some GPUs on the way that I'm excited to be getting into this. But as I said at the top of this, I'm not sure what platform I want to go with. I'm on the hunt to try out different platforms, to find one to call home, and just set these and forget them. I don't want to be hopping platforms. A lot of you guys are doing that recently, and it's actually working entirely against you. You know, the availability and the uptime on these platforms is super, super important. And for me, I recently got 5x5 fiber installed, and so that really is allowing me to lean more and more into these AI platforms. So once again, Krootman, do appreciate you. So does our gnome buddy over here. Do appreciate you selling this over to me. Works out well just having you in Pennsylvania to be able to go ahead and pick these up. We're going to give these a good home. Guys, I'll have more content coming out on these rigs in the near future. Would love to hear from you guys. What hardware are you eyeing up? What hardware are you picking up? What GPUs do you currently have that you're looking to put on AI? And then finally, love your thoughts and feelings on single card rigs. What platform is your go-to? Love to get your thoughts and feedback, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Hey everyone, quick announcement that I'm pumped to share with you. I've officially teamed up with the Mining Disrupt crew to help spread the word about one of the biggest crypto mining events of the year. Mining Disrupt 2025 is coming up fast, and this time it's happening in Dallas, Texas. I've personally attended the last 3 years, and I can tell you from experience, if you're serious about mining, this event delivers. Whether you're a home miner just getting started, managing a mid-sized farm, or running a full-scale hosting operation, Mining Disrupt brings the community together under one roof. Expect major hardware launches, inspiring talks from industry leaders, opportunities to meet fellow miners, connect with content creators, and brand new this year, a mining farm tour. Tickets are available right now, and use the code HobbyistMiner at checkout for 20% off. Just click the link in the video description or scan the QR code on the screen right now. Listen, I'll be there, and I'd love to see you too. Let's make it a week to remember. Mining Disrupt 2025. Here we come.